Fast and easy truck bed restoration coming up next. Hi, welcome to Dupli-Color TV. I'm Julie. Today, we're going to be working on the bed of our half and half Jeep. Dupli-Color has a full line of products for your bed, and we're going to go through them. We have our water-based bed armor, which can clean up with soap and water. It's available in an aerosol, quart, and kit. We have our truck bed coating, which is a black textured finish, available in quart, gallon, and aerosol. We have our clear truck bed, which is great for use to retain the factory finish. It's available in an aerosol, quart, and gallon. We also offer a truck bed spray gun, which can be used with our truck bed coating and bed armor for larger applications where you want to spray. In this application, we're going to be using our premium truck bed coating. It's perfect for a medium-sized job like this. Usually, you just use an aerosol for touch-up, but with this high output trigger, it makes the job fast and easy. First thing we have to do is prepare our bed, so we're going to get started with that right now. To prep the bed of our half and half Jeep, we're going to want to use our scuff pad and our wax and grease remover. You're going to want to start with your scuff pad to scratch the surface. You want to scuff the surface to knock down the gloss so the coating has something to stick to. Okay, so we've cleaned and scuffed our bed. Next, since we're using aerosol, we want to make sure to mask off any areas we don't want to spray. Okay, we've got everything masked off and we're ready to spray. With this, we want to apply 2 light coats, waiting about 10 minutes between coats. With this nozzle, you want to make sure to pop the top before you can spray. Spraying Dupli-Color Premium Truck Bed Coating, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. So we applied our 2 light coats. We want to wait about 15 minutes, and then we're going to peel the tape. We applied our 2 light coats, and this will be dry to the touch in about 30 minutes. This half of our Jeep will look great for years to come. For more information about our premium truck bed coating and our other Dupli-Color products, visit duplicolor.com.